Stroller.
What did we get?
I shoot double sword.
A double stroller!
I named a double sword.
Because there's 2 spots. There's one for you and one for June. A double stroller. Double stroller. We just got it in the mail, and I feel like
a big mail.
well, you saw the box. It was huge. It's probably legit like my favorite ever thing we've ever got, because now I can take both you and June in walks and runs maybe, and we can walk all the way up to the park. We can go outside.
It's too not too far.
Not too far if you've got a double stroller. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh god! Look at you! What's coming? What's coming?
You almost eat me.
I did almost eat you. I'm so excited. We got to put the wheels on because the wheels are not off, or they're off. We went with a Thule. Was calling it Thule, but that's not right. Thule double stroller. Are you so excited? Let's do it. So we're gonna put it together. We have this huge, let's see if you can see all the stuff. We got so excited, my eyelash almost came off. I'm like out of breath. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
No.
Oh, is June is sleeping still. She's still sleeping. Okay, so we got to put the stroller together.
Yeah!
I'm so excited. I don't know why it took me so long to do this. To be like, yeah, let's just get ourselves a double stroller. Well, I know actually, because they're expensive. But Mama worked her magic. Can you say Mama worked her magic? Can you say Mama worked her magic? This bad boy was $300 off because it was open box on Amazon.
Mom.
Say what?
Take this.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. That's like kind of sharp, isn't it? It's like a literally brand new. So like instruction manuals.
Oh, take off the white.
Yeah, let's take all the white stuff off. This is where you're gonna sit.
What's the June sit?
June's gonna sit over there. Now we just need to get the rain cover and then the stroller organizer, so I can be walking around the park. We can go to Green Lake and walk around and drink our coffees, and you and June can be sitting together and holding hands and kissing. Okay, so we gotta put this together.
Open the lights.
The instructions are, I feel like maybe they seem really simple, but I don't get them. Let's make sure she's still sleeping. Okay. Where's the screwdriver? The Phillips screwdriver, the one that has the cross on the top.
Mom.
Yehuda! Okay, let's see.
You can put that on there.
I'm so excited! I'm so excited! Okay, yeah, let's put this together. We got one of these. How did the lady do it? We watched a YouTube tutorial. Can I see the other one? Okay.
Anyone no works.
Oh yeah, we were supposed to push the buttons. This is the button. Okay, help me push. That's right. That's right. Help me push. Okay, ready? Okay, push the button. Oh, it did it! Okay, we'll flip it over.
It's not a button like that.
So
It's a blue button.
press the blue button. Okay.
I see.
Okay, hold on. Let's see her excitement when it happens. You did that all by yourself! You did that all by yourself! Oh my gosh! Look at you! Okay, so we've got it down. These two. All right, let's see what we're gonna do now. Okay.
It's not coming. I did this by myself.
You are so smart.
Yes.
Okay, let's get this guy off.
And the white.
Mom had a knife somewhere. I hope it's not just laying around. Oh, I feel like I left that away. Okay, hold on. Whew. Okay, 1, 2. Where should we go? Where's the first place we should go with our stroller?
For the park.
We should go to the park?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Not go down the bump.
Not go over bumps. Okay. All right. I hear you, kid. Oh yeah, look at this bad boy. Oh, it's kind of like. Oh no, that's nothing. Okay.
What's that?
It was just like a scratch. Look. Even silica gel pack's still on this bad boy.
Ow.
Oh, did I get you? Can I kiss it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me give it one kiss. A really good one.
That's on my tongue.
I know you did. I'm so sorry. You were helping flip pancakes. Oh my gosh.
Oh, why?
Why
that?
A sticker? Do you mean this wheel? This one moves. So that. Yeah, okay. Oh, is she? No, she's still sleeping. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think I could just be doing this all day. Okay. Ready?
No, we'll go on that.
We need to see one other thing. How do you make these unlock? Oh, there's probably a lock. Okay, let me get this one. Do you remember the California stroller? This is way cooler.
It's kind of funny.
This is the home stroller that we're going to take with us to Hawaii.
I'll put the coin on airplane.
Yeah. You want to? Okay. Oh, we got a stroller. We got a stroller. We got a stroller. We got a stroller. A double stroller. A double stroller. Okay, oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. What's this?
Okay, this is just means
What's this?
it's so fresh. That's a silica gel pack, and it captures moisture, but it just basically means this shit's legit. Can you say that? Legit.
No way to pass that.
Woo! We getting places! We getting places!
That.
Oh yeah, that's I think the brake. Should you go in it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Get in there.
No,
Can you get in there, or do you need help?
I need help.
Oh, okay, sure.
What's this?
Okay.
Oh,
Let's do it this way. Oh, whoa, you did it all by yourself. What are you talking about? You need help.
oh.
You trolling me, girl?
This is comfy.
Is it comfy?
Yeah.
I want it to be the most comfy. And look, there's a little spot here where you can put your snacks, or you can put your water. Podes pôr ápacoló, sal, niște mâncare. You can do anything you want. Like, oh my gosh, look at that. Ah! And what's this? I don't know. This is just like a, okay.
This.
Okay, and then we can go, oh, like this. Hold on. Wait for it. Yeah. Okay, look. Look up here, look. Hi! Hello! Can you see me? Can you see me? Yeah. Oh, these are nice. Just test drive it. Oh, Jenny, what are you going to be looking like when you're, you know, rolling around in your double stroller around town? Oh.
Now.
Back it up. Damn. Whoa. This is huge. I feel like, and look, do you feel that suspension? Whoa! Feel that? This is like smooth. It's like wearing satin gloves. Yeah. And watch. What's this? Oh, that's the brake. You guys ain't going anywhere without me. Whoa. Whoa!
Having fun up here now.
You're what?
Having fun up here now.
Oh, you are having fun? Ah, look at me taking all these turns. Oh, look, this is how I'm going to be looking like when I'm jogging with you guys. Oh, wow, my boobs just came out.
Huh?
My boobs just came out of, this is not a sports bra. I gotta hold these puppies in. Look at that. Yeah. Bam! Should we, oh, you're taking a nap? Oh, it's so comfy that you can take a nap? Do you need a blankie or anything?
What's that?
This?
Yeah.
This is your secret little passage where you're going to be able to look at June. You're going to see June in here. June's going to be sleeping here. And you're going to be like, hi, sister. Hi, sister.
Huh?
This is where you guys can have your little sister chats. and hold hands. What do you think? I love it. I love it. Haven't taken it out yet, and I'm already in love.
Crying?
Yeah, basically. I'm basically crying. Yes, I'm happy tears. Very excited. My heart's beating. Very excited. All right. I love you. There you have it.